Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can add and remove contact tags from within the Command Mobile app when you're on the go. So first, let's open your Command Mobile app. It's the top left-hand corner, the red background with a white KW. You may be prompted to log in if you're not currently. Then make sure that you're on the right account. If you're wanting to make changes to your team contacts, then touch your name at the top left and make sure that you have the green checkbox beside the team name. Then you should see your team name in the top left. If you're wanting to work with your personal contacts on your personal account, you can click your name again in the top left and make sure that that checkbox is beside the personal. So we'll tap personal account and swap that back. Then let's go ahead and navigate over to the contacts tab. It's at the bottom of your screen, little person in a square. And we went ahead and touched the Smart Views tab at the top of the screen as well, so that we can see our selected contacts. From here, you can use the search and filter options at the top of your screen to maneuver over to the contacts that you want to make the changes to. Once you are viewing those contacts, let me show you how you can actually add tags to up to 500 contacts at a time here within your Command Mobile app. At this time, you can't remove tags in bulk, but you can add them. You would first click on the three ellipses in the top right of your screen and select multiple. Select the checkbox beside each contact that you want to add the tag to, or you can choose select all at the top. Once you have your contacts selected, choose add tags from the bottom of your screen. From here, choose the checkbox beside the tags that you want to add to these contacts. You can use the search bar at the top if you would like to search for a particular tag without having to scroll all the way through them. And so we'll go ahead and select the box beside the tags that we want to add. And do know you have the option as well to create a brand new tag. See at the top of your screen, you can choose new tag, type in the tag name, and then choose the radio button beside the color that you would like this tag to be. And from there, choose continue at the top. Now we have the sample tag selected to add. And again, you can select a couple of the others if you would like to add multiple tags at one time. And once you're done, click Save at the top right. It will ask you to confirm, just click Continue, and then click Continue as well. You will get a banner at the bottom saying the tags have been updated on those contacts. And now let me go ahead and show you how to add or remove tags from an individual contact. You would simply touch on the contact's name, and you should see the option in the tag section here that says Add Remove Tags. Go ahead and touch that hyperlink. And from here, at the top, you can see all the tags that are currently on that contact. They already have the checkbox selected. If you want to remove any of those tags, you would simply touch the checkbox beside the tag name. So let's say we want to remove a couple. We'll just go ahead and uncheck the box beside them. I'll go ahead and unselect a few more. Again, this is removing the tags from a contact. And to add tags, we can choose the Add New Tag at the very top of your screen and create a brand new tag to add to the contact, just like I showed you. Or we can scroll down through the list of available tags that we can add. And you also have the search bar at the top as well to search by name for a particular tag so that you don't have to continue to scroll. Go ahead and choose the checkbox beside the tag that you would like to add to the contact. So we can choose to add tags and remove them all in one swoop here. So go ahead and click Save at the top right-hand corner. And you should get a banner at the bottom showing you that your tags have been updated, and we can see that here on our screen. If you have any questions about this or run into any issues, or maybe just have questions about some other KW platforms, we would be more than happy to help. Just reach out to us via email, support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.